Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and never miss an update from Latestly.
We know Bihar is not in so much of trouble right now, but definitely Maharashtra is in a bit of trouble, more particularly Mumbai, and then also Karnataka. But I was happy to see the confidence of all the three secretaries, and more particularly when Maharashtra said with confidence that we will take care of it. So I think it gave me a great relief. Whatever those mathematical models predicted, they did not hold true. But even then, my answer to all this, you see the very fact that we are preparing ourselves for the worst. We know